Every time you sneeze, your heart literally stops. Yes, really. A sneeze isn't just air exploding out of your body, it's a full shockwave. The pressure in your chest spikes so fast that your heart pauses for a split second. Then your body restarts it automatically. You don't feel it, but it happens every single time. Doctors say it's harmless, but it's one of the most dramatic reflexes your body performs every day. Thanks for watching, and if this blew your mind, stick around. I've got plenty more where that came from.